Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install all the mods 8 in Minecraft. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So the first thing that you need to do is to download and install the launcher which or Curse, okay? So just go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, you need to run the launcher, okay? So once you've run the launcher, click mods and search for the mod pack all the mods 8, ATM8, or the 1.19.2, okay? So select the version of all the mods 8 that is matching the server version where you want to connect and install it. And once you've done that, the mods 8 or ATM8 1.19.2 mod pack is downloaded and installed on your computer. So just go ahead and click it to launch it. Okay? So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!